नमस्कार येवकार तुमकां. सध्या आमी आसा बाणावले बिचाचेर. दोन गजाली गोंयकारां मुखार आसा. एक बरी गजाल म्हणजे जे सायक्लोन हीट जावपाचें आशिल्लें तें सद्या तरी हीट जावचें ना. आनी दुसरी वायट गजाल म्हणजे पावस जो येवपाचो तो आजून म्हणसर येवना. गरमेन लोकांक नाका जाल्लें आसा. इवन AC सुद्दां लागना असली परिस्थिती आसा. सायक्लोना विशीं उलयतना आमी फक्त सायक्लोन अलोन उलोवपाक मेळना. डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट हो एक आस्पेक्ट आसा. आमी सद्या आयिल्ले आसा बाणावले बिचाचेर आनी आमचे बरोबर आसा बाणावलेचे आमदार कॅप्टन वॅन्सी विएगस. आवाज एकातल्यो तुमकां कमी जास्त येत बिकॉज हांगा वारो आसा आनी आमी तांकां मेळटा दोन कारणांक लागून. एक म्हणजे आमदार आनी दुसरें म्हणजे तांच्या खातीर दर्याचो अभ्यास हो पयलीं पासून आसा. तांच्या खातीर नवीन न्ही. सो येवकार तुमकां, देव बरें करूं. सायक्लोन येना आतां.
Cyclone येना, but saying that Rupesh Bab, I always say that I am one of the largest stakeholder of the coast and I take pride in it. And by taking pride and being one of the largest stakeholder contribution towards tourism, I don't see any preparation here today. Disaster management, nothing, no preparation, no awareness across the coast. People are just like that. We never know what could happen. It is a cyclone. The prediction is yes, it has moved. It is moved away towards the north and it is moving northwesterly, which will probably go to another country. But the sadness is that असली preparation आसपाक जाय. And I am 100% telling you without going on site. जे siren आहा, इतली siren जे आहा, if you see behind there is a siren here. That siren alarm is still not going to be functional today. If we go there and I try to see activate that in an emergency, it is not activated, which means it was bought for a drill जाल्लो गव्हर्मेंटाचो 1 म्हयनो पयलो. तेन्ना तो सायरन काडलो, त्याची फाटल्यान ते अलार्म बी काडून तेमी ऑल द इक्विपमेंट इनसाइड ते टूक इट ऑफ.
अजून परत घालूंक
ना. आणि टुडे वॉज ॲक्च्युअली अ डे वेअर एव्हरीथिंग शुड हॅव बीन ॲक्टिवेटेड, ट्रायड आउट 48 hours बिफोर, because the change in direction of the cyclone has happened in a few hours. This early morning it has started to deviate. So we were all prepared for this situation, but nothing is preparedness now. So this is the whole problem today, and then it is sad that if I try to say that and I bring the chief minister every now and then in every topic, which I have to, finally it is his responsibility.
सायक्लोन जातले म्हणून कोणाकूच कांयच सांगू ना. कितें आसा तें मिडियांतल्यान कळ्ळां. ऑथॉरिटीजांनी काय सांगू ना. यू मीन टू से?
See, I being an MLA and being a proactive MLA, I have done 2 drills last year. The whole idea of the drill was so that they at least take initiative because I have taken. But besides the drill, there is no preparation. I was told that disaster management plan जो aha, coastal belt was in the preparation last year. It is still not completed. If completed, we have not been trained on it.
Okay, disaster management and MLAचो रोल कितें आसता? How would you come to know whether really it is in action or not?
Forget MLA. If today you say if I was the CM of today's day, I would have ensured, I would have taken all my coast guards, all my navy, all my resources that are there with me, and I would have made them stationed everywhere. Why? That gives an awareness. All these people who are here today, they could have been, made aware. All these boats could have been put inside. So that should have been the side of preparation,
So
not anything else.
right now, in case of a cyclone, हांगा डेवास्टेशन मोठे जातले अशें म्हणटा तूं.
ऑल दीस बोट्स आम दिसती पडटा हिंगा 50 सुमार पयले बोटी आहाय. हे 50 बोट गेल्यो. डॅमेज कॉस्ट टू देम. फॉर देम ऑन इन्शुरन्स इट टेक्स 1 year टू गेट द क्लेम. 50,000 rupees. बोट्स आर कॉस्टिंग 14 lakhs. 12 lakhs 14 लाखाच्यो 12 लाखा बोट्यो. दॅट 14 lakhs क्लेम मेळना. whether he pays the insurance or doesn't pay, but तें ना, प्रोसेस ना. So the entire damage is to the locals. So who is responsible? Where are we heading?
So
Why is this governance?
What was decided during the drill? If ideally drill was in place supposedly, what should have happened?
Ideally, 48 hours before an alert, everybody should have been evacuated. We have already identified a drill location last year, which is inside the fisheries department over here. थिंग एक सँड्युना फाटल्यान ह्यो बोटी व्हरपाच्यो आनी दवरपाच्यो. ज्यो जितले इक्विपमेंट आहा, मशिनरी आहा, जें कितें आहा तें सँड्युना फाटल्यान व्हरून दवरपाचें 48 hours before. People should have been made alert. A muster station, ideally for Benaulim village, muster point should be Month, because the Month is at a higher level, and an area to be cordoned off, say 5,000 people to be accommodated. Which roads to be used? This should be part of the plan. and this should have been educated through the panchayat, through the MLA office, through all possible sources. Every plan has to be done, and a mock drill has to be done. How the Navy does a mock drill, so people's mock drill has to be done. A siren has to
काय
be done.
जावना म्हणटा
काहीच जाऊंक ना, काहीच चलय ना.
तो सायक्लोन जावना आमचे नशीब म्हणटा.
सायक्लोन जायना हे सदां आमचे नशीब, बिकॉज वी आर blessed with Saint Francis Xavier, we are blessed with so many other religious goddesses and gods that are there, and their blessings is protecting Goa always. आणि ते भरवशा म्हाका सदां गव्हर्मेंटूय रावता की देव आहाय सगळे आहाय, आणि ते विश्वासान गव्हर्मेंट आनी चीफ मिनिस्टर इज ऑल्सो रिलॅक्सिंग. आणि कांयच पडून गेलो.
लेट्स गो लिटल इनटू डीपर. यू मीन टू से हांगा जो सायक्लोन वॉर्निंग अलार्म आसा ताजो अलार्माचो कितें बजर काडून घेवन गेल्या.
They have taken out the batteries. If I am right,
Battery
the batteries are out. It is not functioning. We can go and do a trial now. Although we are not authorized, but we will go there. It is not working, and it is not working all over Goa because nobody is there. If it was working,
can we try?
we can go there.
जाल्यार
Wazlo Zala, I take responsibility of it, and I write an apology letter to the chief minister that I activated it during this press conference, and I apologize. And if it is not, then I don't know whether he should apologize to the people of Benaulim that it is not functioning.
ओके सो
Either way.
आयडियली वाचो ना बॅटरी काडून व्हेल्ले आसा.
Yes, we can check it also.
वी कॅन चॅक इट लेटर. दुसरें म्हणजे आय एम आस्किंग यू एज अ वेदरमॅन, सायक्लोन गेलेशें दिसता, एंड सायक्लोन जाता किंवा जावपाचें आसा, वॉट आर द सायन्स ऑन दी कोस्ट?
See, right now, if you see, दोये जे
अशें
झाग दिसता,
हय.
that is called as sea horse.
ओके
This white, जो तू दोदोर दिसती पडटा ताका sea horse म्हणटाय.
हां वायट.
Yeah. So sea horse has increased. You have seen the waves are good about 2 meters. तू दिसतले हिंग बोगले रचोन कांय कोणना ते, but it is more than 2 meters height. So it is a low tide now. 2 जावन 30 मिनटं, 2 जावन 40 मिनटाचे दंपारां it was high water. At night 8:40, 8:30 at night is going to be high water again. Now the water is going down, but still you can see good 2 to 3 meters.
Now सी हॉर्स.
Yes, you can see the sea horses that is there. You can see that Zoiro Mashe Uchambor Ashillo, it is settling now. It is not as bad as it was in the morning. Why? Because the cyclone is moving ahead. Secondly, if you see this black and just sheen, this is always a symbol that there is prediction of rain. Why? कित्याक तो सगळो धूळ कचरो जो आहा
हय.
तो पयसच्यान तो येता. जे भाशेन केन्ना चोयलें तुमी की थंड वार येता,
हय.
पावस येता पण थंड वार येता. वाय? बिकॉज एवरीथिंग एज द रेन कम्स फ्रॉम अ ग्रेट हाइट, कूल ब्रीज स्टार्ट्स कमिंग.
So,
These are small local symptoms here, local fishermen symptoms.
हे कितें हें दिसता हें.
There is a mild sheen.
हां.
There's a mild sheen. So you won't
Okay.
see that there is heavy rains.
ओके.
You will see a mild set of rain passing by us.
सो हे
Later
पळयत
on.
जाल्यार पावस पडटलो असो दिसता.
This is one of the local symptoms. This
Okay.
is not a weatherman's or a scientific, but it's a local symptom.
फिशरमॅन सिम.
Fishermen symptoms. Local जे traditional आहा, हेजे पॉईंट सांगतात का वय हो दोयरो चाडलो असं जाता. So
Ah.
these are the local
आणि
symptoms.
कितें सिम्पटम्स एक ते जाले
Sea
दुसरे.
horse is there. Then you can see from further. Now actually the sea is in a good condition.
हय.
Sea is good condition. You cannot experience like a tsunami sort of a effect. But generally, if there is a high wave, you can see that the waves are high, much at the high
Waves
level.
go higher than this.
Higher.
आता high
40
दिसता.
meters. This is 3 meters, 4 meters. The
Ah.
highest wave what you can see could be around 7-8 meters there. The highest one what is coming up now.
Highest one coming is
That is 7-8 meters there.
Ah.
So by the time it reaches here, it is over. It is not reaching us.
Okay.
But when it is around 50, 70, 80 meters there in the water,
Ah.
it will be closer to 20, 30 meters here, and reaches there, it will land up, at least 100 meters from inside. from the
हांगच्यान
high
आतां
tide.
कितले म्हणसर हे वतले?
No, right now it has not even crossed the high tide line, जी HTL, मातशें cross केला. So you can see the water sheen.
ओके. सामको
not-
जर दोरयो उचांबळ जावन वयर गेलो जाल्यार ती वयर म्हणसर वतली.
But it will not happen now.
स्ट्रक्चर दिसता ते बी उत्तपन येता
100% it will go.
सायक्लोन
In a
जाल्यार.
cyclonic effect, it will go. It will
Cyclonic
get washed. It will get washed away.
सायक्लोन जाता तेन्ना फिशरमॅनाक वॉर्निंग दिल्ली आसता. सो दे ऑलरेडी वॉर्न. तुमी जेन्ना डिजास्टर मॅनेजमेंट म्हणटा, why you have to have another set of warning for them when they are already warned?
See, it is always a human tendency. Today, if I tell you leave your house and vacate at 12 o'clock noon, because 2 o'clock early morning there is water going to reach your house, which is 100 meters from here, you will not leave your house. You will wait there till the last moment. So that is a human tendency. And this human tendency is much higher when there is no awareness. There is no education of this kind of things. There is no drills that is done. There is no awareness. So the tendency is very high. You will see people moving. Everything is normal. But luckily, the weather people are monitoring, so it is moving ahead.
So the
it is not-
entire drill exercise that was done is useless according to you.
What the government is doing is always a face wash. They are never here to ensure that there is accountability.
You were part of it and you were actually taking a lead in that entire thing.
I am part of it and I will still continue being part of it. And I have started to lead by examples so that these people can at least see that what I am doing. I presented documentation. I told them about how to prepare a muster station. What could be a muster station? Why behind the sand dune? All these things were discussed with collector level. And that collector is not there now. But yes, documentation are there. It is written. They have put down minutes. I made sure that the minutes are made. Documented of my drill which I had done. So they know each and every segment. It is there in record. If we go and find out, my drills last year are in the record.
So
But
failure-
implementing that into a document and preparing a village-wise disaster management plan or a coast-wise management plan has not yet happened. And it has not yet been introduced among the panchayat levels to bring an awareness. Who is going to lead? If the water goes up, who is going to lead? The ward member should lead, the panchayat should lead, all the people should lead. And all the people should lead and show because there is no multiple roads out. एकूच road हा बाणाल्यांचो भायर. So all will block the road no, if everybody comes. So how do we do that? How do you do management of crowd in a disaster situation? So that can be done by the Navy, can be done by professionals who have to come here, who have to be here. And this is the role of the Chief Minister. CM's role is that drill जालमुटरी helicopter धाडून मोडी काडपाचो CM आचो role न्हू. Before somebody dies to ensure that that doesn't happen is CM role. काय फरक पडना न्हू? If the Navy was patrolling here, there was Coast Guard boats moving around, there were people patrolling.
Panic हुई जाता नहीं. If you do like this, then there is a panic. And when
Panic-
they know that cyclone is not coming, to create a panic itself is a wrong decision.
So when a panic happens, when you have not trained, a panic happens. But on a regular basis, if you keep these people patrolling, keep these people whispering, talking as an awareness, then in such situation panic will not happen. Yes, today if you bring the Navy here, panic will happen because you have never brought the Navy in Benaulim to keep. But post monsoons, once the monsoons are done, if you start bringing the Navy, start educating the people, preparing them for the 2024 monsoons, people are not going to get panic. In this situation, yes. So there is everything as a solution. There is a way of approach. 2024 monsoon तू प्रिपेर जाता जाल्यार तू हो monsoon काबा जाल म्हणटरी नोव्हेंबरासून हाड नेवीक हाड प्रोटोकॉल चालू कर विथ देम यू नो हाउ दे आर गोइंग टू एडुकेट कित जातलें वेर इज युअर मास्टर स्टेशन वेर आर द पॉइंट्स हाउ मेनी पीपल कॅन हू इज गोइंग टू ब्रिंग फूड ऑल दीस थिंग्स डिस्कस कर एंड देन वी आर
So cyclone जाले जाल्यार आमी we were not prepared. That is what we can derive from your interview.
we are never prepared. Our government is always never pro. They are always there after a disaster has happened.
This is general statement. I am talking about आज जर cyclone जाल्ले जाल्यार आमी prepared नासले.
We are not prepared. We are not
That
at all
drill केला
prepared.
it was useless.
It is useless because you see this is not activated yet. There is nobody here. There is no patrolling happening beside the distillery. There is nobody else here. So how are we prepared? We are not yet prepared. And we have
Besides
taken a
this-
chance. So
They have taken a chance.
we have taken a chance. And yes, God is with us because of all our blessings. The government is on a safer side where they do not have to act today without being prepared.
Okay, before we end our interview, जेची गजाल लोक वाट पळयता परत एकदा पावस पडटलो काय ना तूं दर्यो पळोवन सांगपी जाल्यार तुका कितें दिसता हो आतां एक दोन दिसां भितर पावस पडटलो सिम्टम्स हॅव स्टार्टेड
See, meteorology is connected to the moon. Today, if you see, there was a waning moon, that was gibbous waning moon, which was seen early in the morning somewhere in Mapsa. That is what I read, and I have seen the photograph. What are the signs of this moon? The signs of this moon in the month of June, it shows that the monsoon is delayed. There is less rain. This moon does not just show up. This moon shows up in early hours and it will be seen tomorrow also. I'm just reading the forecast. I have not seen that moon early morning. But with that forecast, if you look at meteorology, that means the monsoons, the rains are less. So you can predict less. This few scattered showers is a different rain.
But
We are not talking
monsoon-
about the southwest.
Southwest monsoon arrival is delayed.
It is delayed. We are reading in the news. It has not yet hit Kerala. Also, you can see such moon coming early morning also keeps the monsoon clouds out That means the appearance of clouds is not going to happen immediately. Then this moon comes early morning with that kind of a brightness, 76% brightness or illumination that the moon had today.
ओके देव बरें करूं वेळ दिलो म्हणून. हे आशिल्ले कॅप्टन वेन्सी विएगस. बाणावलेचे आमदार ते म्हणटा की आमचे जे तरेन प्रिपरेशन जावपा जाय आशिल्ले डिजास्टराचे ते जावना. मॉक ड्रिल्स केली पूण तेज्या उपरांत फोलोअप जावना. अलार्म आसा हांगा तो सेट करतलो म्हळ्यार तेजी बॅटरी काडून व्हेल्ली आसा. ऑफिशियल्स कोण येवना. सो ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली पळयत जाल्यार सायक्लोन जावना हें एक्चुअली बरें नशीब आमचें. ना जाल्यार हांगा आशिल्ले ते सगळे बुट्टा आशिल्ले. तुमी पळयतात a special program on your favorite website www.goanewsup.com. Channel partners RDX Goa. Keep watching.